What is up, WRXer here, and today I'm replacing the gaskets on my exhaust because I have a pretty major exhaust leak and it smells bad in my car now. Like whenever I drive for like a certain period of time and it smells, so I gotta get it fixed. I'm gonna fix it right now, but like just do it myself, jet my car up and hope it works. Like I know the bolts are gonna be rusty as can be, so I'm gonna use WD-480. But yeah, let's get straight into doing this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a gap between my catalytic converter and my exhaust pipe. So that's where my exhaust leak is coming from. Look, I found this just fell off my car, you know. This is a bunch of pieces falling off. Oh no! Got it. So yeah, both bolts are out now, but you can see that there's still like crap in between it. That's my old gasket right in between those two. It's all falling apart. It's actually falling out. You guys can't really see on camera, but it's like falling right now. A bunch of pieces already fell off of it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver and just start beating the crap out of it until all of it comes out. Yes, I went to AutoZone and picked up some new bolts because mine were just so rusty. I did not want to work with them at all. Like I tried, but it didn't really work out. So, new bolts. It's getting pretty dark now though, so I'm just gonna hurry up and finish this, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. Yep, it is pretty late, and I've been working on it for a while now, and I think I got it pretty good. The top nut still needs to be tightened a little bit more, but it's kind of hard to tighten it still. So, for right now, I think it's pretty solid, so I'm gonna start her up and see how it is. Alright guys, yeah, I got really cold out, but I finished it up as you guys saw. I don't know if it's still leaking a little bit. I might have to tighten the bolts down more, but I couldn't really find the right size ratchet for it. I kept wanting the strip no matter which one I picked, so I just kind of gave up on it a little bit. But I'm going to come back and tighten it down even more. But it sounds pretty good, and I think it's going to work out for right now. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. More videos come soon. Have a great day. Peace out.